Hi, Aisha here from Pink Tags. So first of all, what you need is a plain cardstock, and then with crayon just color on it in small proportions, so that when you scratch it later on, it comes out in different colors. I was also trying for the first time, so I used a very small piece. And then you put tape on it. It's better if you use a larger tape, so that'll be covered in once, and I did not have one, so I did it with small pieces. Then you use acrylic paints in black color and cover up the whole thing. After it's dried, it's now time to use it. So I'm using a pencil. You can use any other wooden tool as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.